for you guys today. We've got a stress ball, we've got a fidget block, and a fidget string. All these are great for interacting and relieving stress, anxiety, and it's also really good for developing some motor skills in your fingers, especially the fidget block. That one has multiple different kind of items that you interact with on each side. There's a clicker, there's a slider, there's a roller, there's all kinds of things. This also helps with stereognosis, which is the ability to identify things by touch alone without even having to look. So as she's playing with it, she doesn't have to look if she didn't want to, and she can identify which part is which part on the block. Over here we have the sensory fidget string, and this one's more creative based. You can tie knots, you can spin it around your hands, you can hold it halfway and flip it in both sides. You can do lots of stuff with that. It's also really soft, and it's really great for the texture and feel. Some considerations of all of these is I would not chew them or eat them. That one will most likely break and you can swallow it or choke on it. The fidget block, it's plastic, so if you chewed that and you broke it, it could potentially cut you. That's not good. And you don't want to chew this one because then it won't look nearly as good. Also, with this one's pretty sticky, so I would keep it away from other materials like glitter or pencil shavings. Don't drop on the ground if you are able to, because then it can collect dirt potentially. But also with that being said, we can also clean all these with sanitation wipes or wet wipes and some soap, and that should be okay. Thank you.